What's going on, guys? Hope you guys have been good and are having a great week as usual. You guys already know what segment this is. It's 3 ways to style. We've got the Comme des Garçons Air Force 1 mid today. This isn't a new shoe. It got released back in October of last year, I think. It's a sneaker that I had my eye on for a very long time. I finally managed to get one at a really decent price. It's just such a unique looking shoe and the quality on them is amazing as well. Anyways, I figured I'd switch up the segment a little today. I know most of you come in for the styling bits, so I'm going to be putting that in the front for convenience. If you're interested in the details of the shoe, stick around to the end. And yeah, let's get right into the styling, guys. We've got that black on black Nike box with the Comme des Garçons sticker on the side. Now getting into the shoe, we've got that premium cream leather upper that wraps all around the shoe. A deconstructed leather paneling style with accessed leather and raw edges, creating that layered and floating effect. Sitting on a cream midsole. Comme des Garçons logo on the ankle straps. That Nike Air logo in black on the back. Comme des Garçons Nike branding on the insoles. And tonal cream laces to finish it off. As for sizing, Air Force 1s fit really big. You definitely need to go down at least half a size or a full size your usual Nike. I'm usually a US 9.5 or 10 on Nikes, and I got a US 9 on these. And there you go, guys. That was the 3 ways to style the Comme des Garçons Nike Air Force 1 mid in the white colorway. Let me know which is your favorite looks 1 through 3. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I haven't worn mid top forces since probably like the early 2000s, but I've seen so many images of these floating around on foot. I knew it was just one of those pairs that I really wanted to add to my collection if I could get them for a decent price. But with that being said, that's gonna be it for me today, guys. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, share, or comment. It does help me out with the YouTube algorithm. If you enjoyed my content and would like to support me, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want more content from me throughout the week, don't forget to check out my Instagram. And yeah, much love guys. Peace. See you guys again soon.